Super 8s offer targeted, infinite practice on any maths topic for teachers and students. Choose the topic you'd like to practice. Choose the skills within that topic that you'd like to practice. You can choose to practice just one skill, or you can choose to practice as many skills as you'd like. If you want, you can set yourself a timer, but you don't have to. And when you're ready, click go. 8 lovely questions appear. You can change any individual question, or you can generate a whole new set of 8 questions. You can view the answer to any individual question, or you can view the answers to all 8 questions. You can focus in on any individual question and get a step-by-step solution of how to solve it. You can view all 8 questions in full screen mode, ideal for showing in the classroom. Or, and this is my favourite, you can generate a worksheet of your selected questions that fits beautifully on one side of the paper, and on the second page you have your answers. Super 8s are available for free only at mrbartonmaths.com.